Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to turn a personal Instagram account into a professional one. The advantage you have as a professional account on Instagram is that you have more insights about your potential customers, clients. You have more tools. And for other requests about, for instance, verification, you have the priority compared to someone who just has a personal account. You can also save you time when you request, if you have some bugs on your Instagram account. If you have a professional one, business one, you have the priority over the personal account, Instagram account. How to do that? Change your personal Instagram account into a professional one. We go on Instagram and then we just click down there where we have our profile down there. And then we go to accounts right here, as you can see. We click on it, and then we scroll down. Here we have switch to professional account. You click on it, and you have a message. You have some advantages of the professional account. Like to know more about your followers, account performance, and so on. If you want to read more, you scroll, learn more about your followers, reach more people, get new contact options. You see, a lot of options with a professional account. Now, if you want to display what you do on your page, you can just toggle the button on and you can choose what you do. If you're, let's see, you're a digital creator, just click on it and then you click done. Oh, you can choose either a business or creator. Okay, let's see. Okay, we are creators. And from here, you have some steps to complete. You can do it later. You can share content if you already have some. You can do it later. Can explore some tools, can learn, and that's it. You can do all of this later. And normally the account is now a professional one. But how to know we have now a professional account? As you see, we have here the possibility to have insights. We can click on insights. And from there you have account reach. If you made a post, put the people you manage to reach. You have details about your followers, the number, content type, impressions, so on. Interactions, people liking your posts, commenting, and top posts, top performing posts, and so on. Top stories. You have a lot of options right there. And that's it. How to turn your personal Instagram page into a professional one. Very important. It will save you time for the future, and you never know Because at the end, we still see a lot of influencers with a personal Instagram account. Very unfortunate. But very important to have a professional account. I told you, now you know. Have a great day. Thanks for being here and happy adventure on Instagram.